and I'm ready to.
En las comunidades hispanas hay una percepción o desinformación de que si usted necesita un abogado, tú lo pagas, pero no para los accidentes de coche y lesiones personales. Los abogados reciben su pago al final si hay una compensación económica. Otra percepción es, si no tienen dinero, ellos no pueden ir a los médicos. No, ellos te pueden atender en base a un compromiso de pago o un contrato y se les paga al final y posponen sus pagos por usted. Así que no será un problema para ti si no tienes dinero o seguro médico para recibir un tratamiento adecuado y acudir a buenos médicos. No pueden conseguir ningún coche o el reembolso para su renta. Sí, ellos sí pueden. Si hay una póliza en la otra parte donde hay una cobertura, lo solicitamos, conseguimos la cobertura o los ponemos en un coche de alquiler y no será un problema. Así que esa es la razón por la que no hay problema.
Buenas, Ori Carmona. ¿Algún accidente? Cualquier tipo de accidente, no hay problema. Llame a Abogados con Experiencia, 702-999-0000. Happy Halloween, everyone. Today we have a great guest here, Lizette Guillen with Nevada Partners. Nevada Partners has been in Las Vegas for many, many years. They do amazing work when it comes to youth, adult, and dislocated worker. They have training facilities off of Martin Luther King. And now I would like to introduce Lizette Guillen. She is the interim president of Nevada Partners. Lizette, welcome.
Hello, thank you so much. Excited to be here today.
I'm so glad you were able to make it, especially now with so many things going on at Nevada Partners.
Absolutely. There's a lot of great work happening.
And tell us some of the programs that are going on right now.
Absolutely. I'll talk about some of our recent programs, then I'll talk a little bit about our history. Like you mentioned, we have been here for quite a bit of long time. We started our organization in 1992, and we're off of Lake Mead and MLK. Just last night, we were able to participate in the Boulding Area Command and Mario's Market Trunk or Treat. It's that just reminds me of the work why we do the work we do. It was beautiful to be able to see our community just come together and be able to provide resources to our community. And that's really what we do. We have a holistic approach, and we provide, like you mentioned, workforce development services, primarily in the areas of STEM technology. We have a STEM center that is funded through City of North Las Vegas and currently providing free training in the areas of drone technology, low coding, cybersecurity, and vertical farming.
Wow, cybersecurity. That's always been one of those training when I was with the state that always amazed me because I thought of the movie Catch Me If You Can with Leonardo DiCaprio and that famous person that, was able to, fake checks and all that.
Exactly.
And I'm thinking, my God, that's a great opportunity for young people because they really know the system and they know computers and they know technology.
Exactly.
And to be an ethical hacker, working for the CIA or the FBI or for the United Nations or for whatever, that's a great program there.
It is amazing. So we a lot of our programs are in partnership with organizations and universities. So our cybersecurity right now is in partnership with Nevada State University, and they are co-funding the program, so it's free to the community, and they can range between 3 different areas. So they can get 3 areas of certifications, the CompTIA, and they can go into 3 tiers. So they're 15-week programs. We hope that the participants complete the 45 weeks, but if not, they can minimally get the first session of the 15-week certification.
Short-term certifications, that's another one that I love because, not every person wants to go to college and spend 2 or 4 years. They have to go to work, they have a family, whatever the case may be. So these short-term certifications actually assist in getting yourself into a career with good paying jobs that once you're there, it's like I've always told the young people that I mentor. I said, once you get there and you see the next person next to you making $10,000 or $15,000 more, you're like, hey, what did you do to get there? And that's when the next tier of the certification comes around, or they may go back and go get a 4-year degree.
Exactly, and that's why we do the short-term trainings, because some of our participants may go on to continue their education. But the issue is that even though they're out of school and some of them are older population, they still don't know what they want their career pathway to be. So being able to provide these short-term training programs allow for them to explore different career opportunities and see, okay, this is what I want to get my degree in.
It's funny you say that because I graduated UNLV when my daughter graduated from high school in 2006. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do, what I want to do when I grew up. And going through that process and going to classes with young people, you know. I was amazed when they would like, oh, no, I'm dropping this, I'm taking another major. I'm like, oh my God. But then it was the age difference too.
Yes, it is.
I was on a track that I knew what I had to do, where these young people can still, you know, navigate the system and figure out, okay, this is not for me, let me do. Because as the saying goes, do what you love and you won't work a day in your life because you're going to work happy.
And you just enjoy it.
Exactly.
And that's what we want to bring to our communities, being able to bring those opportunities. And we consider ourselves a site and strategy. So we're a site and we bring strategy. We may not be the ones that offer every resource, but we have over 50 multi-sector partners that come to us and provide resources to the community. We have a medical assistant program, a 90-day boot camp. We have CNA programs. We offer diabetes workshops, financial literacy, entrepreneurship for adults and youth. We currently have a program with UNLV that's called the Tourism Business Igniter that's focused on small businesses. So small businesses that are either established already and are looking to see how they can upscale and acquire contracts on the Strip, and seeing also how we can bring business to the West Side from the Strip.
Wow, that is amazing.
I will say that's probably one of my favorite programs right now.
You know, entrepreneurship, okay? It's just now starting to get that spark.
It is.
And I have to say that it has to do with the millennials and the Gen Zs, because these young people, regardless of as an older person or a retired person, you know, you're like, oh my God, but you know, they think the way they think. And although we've taught them and they keep a lot of our culture and they keep a lot of our
hardworking
skills and that sort of thing, they have a brain of their own. And a lot of times I give them credit because they do take that chance of opening their own business or, you know, coming up with this idea and really working with other partners to get it going. So that is wonderful.
I love it. So we have two different tiers. We have our Promise Startups conferences, which we are held every first Saturday of the month. And they're from 10 to 3 p.m. And we do a variety of things. We have a hackathon. We create websites for businesses that are already established. We have different guest speakers. We have panel discussions on learning financials, business development, business marketing, digital marketing. So that's huge right now. And being able to know how to use your social media platforms to be able to leverage for your business.
Perfect example is this podcast.
Exactly.
Social media and digital marketing all wrapped up into one.
That's one of the things our STEM, I just had a conversation with our STEM program manager. He's like, every business is a social media driven organization. And it's true. In order for your business to succeed, especially if you're looking in for-profit, you have to understand the basics of social media, understanding the digital networking. If you're looking at like nonprofits, for us, it's a variety of reasons to be able to tell our stories, build testimonials, share resources, just give general information, and also recruitment strategies.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Now, what is the phone number that they can contact Nevada Partners for all this type of information?
Yep, it's 702-844-8000. Our website is www.nvpartners.org.
Wonderful. Now, that brings me to the next question. Abogados con Experiencia will be donating $500 to Nevada Partners for the turkey drive.
Yes.
We are very excited to collaborate on this project because we know that at this time, the way groceries are, inflation is, everybody needs a lending hand.
Absolutely. So one thing that we met with our youth group. So we also are currently overseeing the Nevada 95 project in partnership with Clark County, and that's a youth-led group. They have a seat with the COC board, which is the Continuum of Care, and it's focused on the homeless population. So it's our youth that are aging between 16 to 24. We meet monthly every last Friday of the month from 3 to 5 p.m. We met with the group yesterday, and they would like to do a drive for the homeless youth. So that's what we will be doing with the donation of the turkeys. We'll be donating turkeys to our homeless youth population. And in addition to that, we will be collecting doing a food drive in partnership with Amazon. Amazon has been an amazing contributor to us. They've been almost weekly donating food, perishable and non-perishable food for us to be able to provide to the community. We're at least weekly serving about 80 people, providing free food. The same thing, we were able to bring some food over to the trunk or treat yesterday.
Yes.
And it was beautiful to see even little kids giving out just the basics, the cereal and catch up, and it was just beautiful to be able to just provide those basic need resources
Yeah,
to
just
our
to
community.
assist these families right now. Everyone is crunching the dollars.
Yes, absolutely.
You know, the groceries are out of control. So, especially at this time of year, it just gets a little bit more difficult for that population to get some assistance. So, like I said, Abogados is very excited to collaborate and especially, you know, helping with the youth. And please tell us where the community can donate or what to do.
Yep. So we are located at 690 West Lake Mead Boulevard, North Las Vegas. You can either send a check to our location, you can go to our website, and we do have a donate button on our website, and you can donate at our location, or just come give me a call. I would love to invite anybody that's interested in learning more about Nevada Partners, coming to visit our site, give you guys a tour of our space. We have great resources on site. We offer for North Las Vegas residents, we do have rental assistance programs available through our Operation Home program through Clark County. There are services for homeless population as well. They would go through the Clark County COC Continuum of Care through the Rapid Rehousing Program. We do down payment assistance for first-time home buyers. We do one-on-one counseling and group counseling. We also have our Leadership Council. We're providing education in the areas of gun violence prevention, of life skills, and early literacy and childhood development through our CCSD programs.
Wow. Lizette, your organization is just carrying a little bit of everything, but I like the fact that you're concentrating on certain pockets.
Yes.
So, because you can't fix the whole Las Vegas, but you sure as heck can help the North Las Vegas community, and what you're doing is amazing. Again, please let us know again where to donate and what phone number to call. And please, if you just have a few minutes, just any amount will help. Any amount will help. Remember, we're feeding the young, homeless community that we know there is a problem with that.
There is. And again, come to our location. We're located at 690 West Lake Mead Boulevard, North Las Vegas, Nevada. Phone number is 702-844-8000. Website nvpartners.org.
Lizette, thank you so much for coming in today. I appreciate the information. I'm really excited with Abogados collaborating with Nevada Partners for now and future projects.
I'm excited as well, and thank you so much for the opportunity. Excited to be here.
Thank you. Cualquier accidente, cualquier problema, llame Abogados con Experiencia 702-999-0000. ¿Tiene alguna pregunta? Pregúntale a Ori a 702-999-0000. Hasta luego, hasta la próxima vez. Perfect.
You're
En las
great.
comunidades hispanas hay una percepción o desinformación de que si usted necesita un abogado, tú lo pagas, pero no para los accidentes de coche y lesiones personales. Los abogados reciben su pago al final si hay una compensación económica. Otra percepción es, si no tienen dinero, ellos no pueden ir a los médicos. No, ellos te pueden atender en base a un compromiso de pago o un contrato y se les paga al final y posponen sus pagos por usted. Así que no será un problema para ti si no tienes dinero o seguro médico para recibir un tratamiento adecuado y acudir a buenos médicos. No pueden conseguir ningún coche o el reembolso para su renta. Sí, ellos sí pueden. Si hay una póliza en la otra parte donde hay una cobertura, lo solicitamos, conseguimos la cobertura o los ponemos en un coche de alquiler y no será un problema. Así que esa es la razón por la que no hay problema.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready